Welcome to Ames Bakes. Today we are making cookies for Santa! Again. Yummy. This time we're making a new recipe, brown butter chocolate chip. That's sugar. That's sugar! I'm going to do some in the video. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to brown 1 cup of unsalted butter. I've already done that. I have to let it cool, so it's doing it right now. The next thing you want to do is whisk together your flour, your salt, and your baking soda. Now that that's done, you want to combine your sugars. You're using both brown sugar and white sugar. Ta-da! And then you're going to use 3 eggs, 1 full egg, 2 egg yolks, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And here I have my 2 egg yolks and vanilla. So see this egg? We're gonna crack it. Hey, don't. Oh, God. Oh, God. Well, did I get any? Good. Guys, I did not get any in. Do not be nervous. And we're using 2 types of. We're using milk chocolate chips and semi-sweet chocolate chunks. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so I have them in the bowl. I'll show you what the chocolate chunks look like. Good to eat. The chips. I ate one for free. Now we're going to mix these sugars in a large bowl. Oh, you watch it. Now you're going to add your brown butter to your sugar mixture. By the way, use one of these thingamajigs if you don't get it all out. I'm so scared to do this. Every drop needs to get in. And use your mixer to mix until just combined. I tell you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. It's so itchy. I want to just keep it like this. I don't want the hair. Just want it like this. Now you add your eggs and vanilla. Dun dun. Raining eggs. Now mix to combine for the second time. I'm skipping most of the parts that are hard to say for me. Watch out, you better not cry or else I won't give you any more videos. No, I'm kidding, I'll always do videos for you guys. Now you combine your dry ingredients. Let's go, boys! Oh yeah, I forgot, of course, we had to use gluten-free flour. Now I'm gonna mix it all up. Hey guys, come here. Look how cool and satisfying this looks. That's so satisfying. That's so satisfying. I think satisfying might be my favorite word. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw him, you would surely say it glows. I'm gonna let my brother put the chocolate chips in. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't just put them in one by one. Pick up the whole bowl and just drop it in. Hold it with me. 3, 2, 1. Give me one. No, I could have grabbed one. And again, before we mix up the chocolate chips, you need to try the batter. Also, get 150 likes or 200 on this video. I've always wanted that much likes. Tastes good. I eat the whole thing. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. Black tidings we bring to you and your kin. Black tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now I gotta mix these chocolate chips. This is what it looks like. Come on, guys, let's go. And guess how many days until Christmas? Now that we formed our dough, we're gonna go bake it in the oven for about, I don't know, 12, 13 minutes.
Let's go.
Guys, now we're going to try them. Since I definitely don't like them, have a good time making this. Hit the notification bell and leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Bye.